Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you a feature called tab groups in Google Chrome. This feature allows you to group similar type of tabs into a group or category, and it makes it easier for you to access certain websites, certain tabs that you have open. So if you're somebody who does a lot of web browsing and you have a lot of tabs open all the time, then you might find it difficult sometimes to access these websites or these tabs. So with this feature, what you will be able to do is group similar type of tabs into a group or category and give it a name. And with that name, you will be able to access those quicker. So what I want to do now is I want to show you that I can group these websites. For example, the Google websites, I want to group them into one category. The social media websites, I want to group them into one category. The shopping websites, I want to group them into one category. So let me show you how you can do that. So you need to select the tabs that you want to group into one. So I'm going to select these. Once you have selected all the tabs that you want to group into one category, you need to right click on any of those and you will see an option called add tabs to new group. You need to click on that. It will bring this small pop-up. Here you can give it a name and choose a color. So I'm going to give it a name and choose a color. So this color, you can see it will show you here. And once you're done with that, you just press enter and it will create a group. And this group you can collapse like this and you can expand it again. So if I group all the other websites which I want to keep into different categories. So for example, let's create one for this. I want to call it social and give it a color. Let's say not this one. And then all these shopping websites I want to group into one. And give it a color. So now you can see you have 3 tab groups, and what you can do with them, you can collapse all of these and just use the ones that you want. So this way you have reduced the extra clutter that you had and you can focus only on the websites that you're working with. So you can always expand the other ones and you can collapse these. At any point of time, you will have at least one tab group open unless you have a tab which is not part of any group. So what you can do is you can create a new one and then you can collapse this. So what else can you do with this? So for example, in any of your tabs, if you want to add a new website, what you can do is you can click on new tab in group and that will open a new tab within that group. And you will be able to sort of group that in the same one. You can also ungroup it. So if you want to get rid of this group and just have these tabs still open, you can ungroup. If you want to close all the tabs that you have there, you can click on close group. And if you want to move all these tabs into a new window, so you can just click on that. That way, now you have the new window open with these tabs, but you still have your tab group there. So this way you can reduce your clutter a bit and you will be able to organize your tabs better. Now you might have some obvious questions like what happens if I close my browser? Will these tab groups persist or do I have to use something else? So the bad news is by default, Google Chrome does not save all these tab groups, just like it doesn't save your tabs. So if I close it and I'm going to close this one as well. And if I come back and you can see all my tab groups are gone. All right, so there's one way using that you can save these tab groups. If you want to know more about tab groups and you want to know how you can save and restore these tab groups, I have another video. The link is in description. You can just check it out or you can access it via the I button. So that's all for this feature. If you find this helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.